Hi there, I'm Ted Sterner and I'm here to talk about the standard of work you should demand from your property manager. And if you're managing your own property, you can evaluate your own effort. Here at LAPMG, we've simplified this evaluation process to 3 key questions you can ask to clearly understand just how well your current property manager is doing. When used properly, these questions can objectively identify whether your manager's work is spot on, just average, or if it's time to consider a change. Question number 1. How fast did you turn my last vacancy? Here you will need to get more specific by learning dates. You can say something like, let's look at what day the last tenant moved out and the date the next tenant moved into that unit. The most detail-oriented manager will know when work was started and was finished. Do they know what day it was advertised and how long it took to find a qualified applicant? Many managers won't have these details at their fingertips, but they should definitely be able to tell you exactly what day the unit was vacated and when it was filled. Knowing this total turn time is an important indicator of your manager's performance. On this point, ask your management company if they use licensed real estate agents to show your vacancies. Licensed agents are trained on how best to advertise and show properties without violating any fair housing regulations. Licensed agents will also be better equipped to draw up the best lease that protects you in case of problems. So question this too. Question number 2. When did you last walk through my property? Don't settle for an answer that involves when the gardener or a repairman visited last. Ask, when did a supervisor or a principal of the company walk the property last? Some managers will say that they visit your property regularly. But if they can't provide an actual date documenting their last visit to the property, their assurances might be empty talk. If a manager is proposing to protect and serve your profits and property, there's no excuse for them not to put their shoes on your soil regularly. Differentiate between whether your manager just did an exterior inspection or viewed each and every interior. At LAPMG, we email reports with dates and photos to assure you of our visits. Question number 3. What was the most recent preventative maintenance measure you took on my property? Preventative maintenance measures include low-cost items such as cleaning rain gutters and downspouts to ensure roofing and stucco aren't damaged. Simple routine inspections can save tens of thousands of dollars or extend the lives of different building systems by many years. If your manager has done any preventative maintenance, it should be documented by an inspection report or bill on a statement. Ask to view these. Weak managers will say, "Don't worry, we're quick to respond if there's a problem." That's like a heart surgeon saying, "I'll just wait for you to have a heart attack and then I'll take action." Asking these exact questions will eliminate the possibility of a one-time fluke skewing the results. None of them can have inaccurate results because of a one-time accident. The manager either turned the last vacant unit fast or they didn't. They either inspect their properties regularly or they don't. They either perform preventative maintenance or don't. There are no gray areas here. Equipped with these questions, you're ready to assess the job that your current property manager is doing. No matter what you learn, this process will bring you better clarity and peace of mind regarding any decisions you make, and hone your skills as an investor. Lastly, always remember, excellent property management doesn't cost, it pays.